Hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone. I'm excited. I posted this question on a couple of different RV Facebook groups and I got over 400 responses. I want to thank anyone who commented on the big threads that I started in RV Miles Facebook group and the RV Lifestyle Facebook group. I pretty much just asked this question. So this list has now become the official RV Road Trip Top 10 playlist. Let's get on it. Hey everyone, don't forget, subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and remember, get busy living. So yes, I posted this in RV Miles and RV Lifestyles Facebook groups. I got some great responses. I was so happy. There were so many different songs that were suggested. The question I asked again was, if you're building a playlist to help energize you on a long drive, what song would you add? And I had such great responses. In fact, I'm going to ask you at the end of this video to comment below if there's a song that you think should have been on the top 10 list. I want to hear from you. Now, there were too many to make a comprehensive list. I took like these 480 or close to 500 results, tried to paste them all into Excel. I got 2,500 lines. It was a mess. It was really hard to go through and find and list them all individually, but there were some that stood out. I did some finds and searches and realized that there was definitely a top 10 list to draw out of here. There were a few ties. I had to make a couple of judgment calls, but we're now going to go through that list. Just for you all, I put together this top 10 list into a Spotify playlist. I'm going to share a link to that on my Patreon page for free, as well as all the links to the videos for these 10 songs in case you want to watch them on YouTube. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get to the list, and we're going to start with number 10. Number 10. Feel It Still by Portugal the Man. By the way, check out my wife's awesome magnet collection. That's just our good ones. We got a lot. And number 9, Ludacris's Move. Number 8, Uncle Pen, Bill Monroe, and the Bluegrass Boys. And number 7, Going Up Country by Canned Heat. Number 6, Fast Car, although I'm not sure if some people were voting for the original or whether they meant the Luke Combs version. And really, this was supposed to be a playlist that's supposed to be upbeat to keep you awake and energize you. Not quite sure how Fast Car got in there, but the people have spoken. Number 5, I'm Gonna Be by the Proclaimers. By the way, my wife leaves that up year round. I know it's a seasonal decoration, but she likes it. So our kitchen is Halloween Town. Number 4, Life is a Highway by Rascal Flatts. And number 3, Radar Love by Golden Earring. Number 2, I Can't Drive 55 by Sammy Hagar.
Debuting all the way up at number 1.
The song was
On the Road Again.
On the Road Again by Willie Nelson, of course. That was awesome. I might have argued with a few ones whether they should be on that list, but those top 3, come on. Radar Love, I Can't Drive 55, On the Road Again. These are the classic songs. I'm going to put together my own playlist and share out here. I'd like to hear from you what you'd like to see. I definitely have a playlist that I play when I need to stay awake. I have a playlist that I like to play, some songs when I'm driving in the middle of the day through beautiful country and I just want some nice relaxed music. And of course, I have what I call the chill mix. So when I'm getting into that RV and I need to shut down and go to sleep, I got my chill mix. So I might actually put those up there as well on my Patreon page. So if you'd like to get those playlists, put the comment below, let me know, and I'll prioritize those, start working on them. As you know, I am a musician. Music's important to me. I play piano. The theme song to this channel is me playing on piano. And I also can sort of like hold down a blues song maybe on the bass or the drums and do some basic stuff like that. And I can sing. It doesn't sound very good. So till you find yourself singing that last cowboy song. Yippee-ki-yay, and the round If you do actually ever want to see the music I play, nobody ever visits that channel, but I'll put a link to my Dojamato channel. That's what I call it. And it's just various songs that I play on the piano, mostly cover tunes. I can't imagine anybody actually wants to listen to it, but if you want to, I'll put a link below to that as well. But make sure to check the link to my Patreon. On there will be the Spotify playlist and the YouTube links, again, for free for everybody. And if you want to support this channel more, you could always subscribe to that Patreon. It's $5 a month. And for doing that, you basically get access to some posts, more intimate and private posts that I do to the community of supporters, and sort of more real-time updates, because it takes me a little while to make these videos and get them out on YouTube. So like I said in the beginning, I want to hear from you. Was there a song you expected to be on this list that wasn't on this list? Is there a song on this list that you absolutely would not want to be on this list? Let me hear it from you down in the comments. Whatever's on your mind, whatever you feel, just jot it out there in the comments. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and remember, get busy living. And now I'll show you some outtakes. Hey everyone, I post, hope might use that. Hey everyone, I post, there were a couple of ties, I had to make a few, so why don't we go ahead and go, so let's go through so this list has now become the, hey everyone, if you haven't subscribed yet, hey everyone, don't forget, click the subscribe button. I created a Spotify playlist of these 10 songs I put together just for you guys. The links, fuck.